Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel LZ Graphics and Multimedia. And my name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can switch from Facebook page new experience to classic version of Facebook business page. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about Facebook marketing, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can actually switch from Facebook new page experience to classic mode experience. This is because in some recent time, Facebook tried to update so many information about how you use Facebook and how you can use Facebook for business. So in this regard, a lot of people find it difficult to understand and how to maneuver with the new Facebook page experience. If that is you and you are very much conversant with the whole page experience, if that is you also, this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can actually switch back to the whole classic Facebook page. So let's get started. So right here, I'm going to use this page as an example. So if you log into your Facebook business page, so all you have to do is to scroll down right here. So when you scroll down, so this is a new experience Facebook page. Okay, so there are a lot of things change right here. So if you have been using old classic version of Facebook business page earlier and before, you will understand what I'm trying to say more better. So for you to switch from new experience to classic, all you have to do is to come here. You see this three dots here, just click on that. So we click on that, it's pop down some information. Then you have to scroll down and right here you see where you see switch to classic page. So if you click on switch to classic page, it takes you guys back to old experience that you are very much familiar with. So but before that, you need to read some information. Right here, content you share as your page, as your updated page won't move back to the classic page experience. You have to understand that. This simply means that immediately you switch from classic experience to a new Facebook page experience, whatever you post during the period of time that you have already shared information, after you update, your information is not going to be there. But if you have not yet upload, or you are finding it difficult to upload, you don't understand the new experience, all you have to do is to make sure you click OK, I understand. Once you've done that, click on continue. So at this point here, these are just frequent asked question. So how do I switch between page and profiles? What is different about pages, updated pages, and what features have moved, etc. So you can as well scroll down and see some of the FAQ question as far as switching from new page experience back to classic is concerned. So when you are satisfied with everything right here, come down here and just click on continue. So right here you can see what changes. So you can go through and read what changes. So you can scroll down and see some of the things that changes. Active has stopped running. So new features and settings go away. New content won't show on classic pages. Update to pages access to go away, stuff like that. So these are the things that will have that will change when you switch back to classic version of Facebook page. So right here down below, what says what says the same is current followers, groups, events, admins, etc. All these things will change as far as this is concerned. So finally, just click on continue. Right here, you can see that switching back to classic page will be temporarily. You will be prompted to update Excel Graphics, which is the name of the page right here again, as soon as we can improving your experience. Just click on switch back. So at this point here, you will be asked some question why you want to leave the new page experience, and Facebook would like to hear from you. You can pick on anyone that is related to your difficulty as far as new page experience is concerned. So I cannot find my page 2's features. My post didn't reach as many people as expected. difficult navigating between pages and profile, fewer reaction to posts, fewer, and etc. So somebody like me, if you have some other thing, you can click on order and then state the reason why you want to switch back to old fashion. So unable to post. To post my page. Okay. So right here you provide your email address. Okay. So if the message right here is related to your information, enter your email. So if that is not the case, just come here and click on submit. So if you have something like this, never mind. All you have to do is you can see there is an update right here. Just click on here and see the page. So if you click on that, it takes you back to your classic. So just like what you see right here. So you can see now that things have come back to the page has come back to classic, which is what we are mostly familiar with in the past. So right here you can see create post here. So I can be able to post and do stuff like that, or whatever I want to do as far as new classic is concerned. So if you are finding it difficult to navigate on Facebook new experience and you want to switch back to your classic, all you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and make sure you follow every step I take in this video. And I hope you're going to be fine with your whole Facebook page experience. But if you are the one that finding it easy and understand on how you navigate and find yourself using the new experience on Facebook page, you are good to go. Thank you guys for watching. This is what I have for you guys for as far as switching from new experience Facebook page to classic fashion is concerned. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.